Hey, Loxton here. I'm gonna be working on that mountain monster again. Previous video in the description there. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Get caught back up. Last time we got it fired up, we attached the clutch. Today, my goal is to go get a new belt for it, measure the belts. Probably not going to see that stuff, that's okay, but you're going to see the belt go on. I already took flange measurements, good old paint, stick it on there. Now I know what gasket I'm going to need to make sure it's right, and to make a flange for my custom exhaust. That's the goal for today, is to test ride. Even if I don't get my gear reduction on it for the rear, my goal is to test ride. So I'll see y'all either at the shop or at the back, in a few, whatever. We'll see y'all. Probably the safest way to do something like that. But, you know what? It's working. It's almost there. Oh yeah, there's some sandpaper. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is going to be a test flange or my real deal one, but I'm going to go check it out. I'm going to try to mock up an exhaust for this. Safety first. I wanted to protect my jug. There we go. Now you can see it fit just fine. I don't know what that hole's for. If you know what that hole's for, let me know, because I really don't. I don't remember if it was supposed to be plugged or not, but I'm going to plug it just in case. And if I can, I'll drill out later. So I'm going to oval this out. This is going to be able to sit like this. And I'm going to fill in there and exhaust right on over here on an angle. And that's the goal for today. I'm trying not to have to torch it, and it looks like it's going pretty good. So I think that's good. It's nice and flanged out. It's not really creased. Alright, so I got it all marked out how it's supposed to go. This is gonna go in here. I'm gonna have that cut out, rised up about like right about there. So I have a filler there. And this is a back plate right about there. This is the size of the pipe. I'm going to cut out a little bit more so I have room to open up and attach. I think I probably got to give myself more room here. So then we're going to have that. And I got it marked out. So I'm going to cut that with a plasma torch. Second time using it.
I completely drooped last time, so I got a new piece of metal. Let's check this out. Hope this is on. Try two. That was loud.
Alright, so in the shop, I just finished up cutting everything, mocking it all up. It's a little shaggy, but first time using a plasma cutter and no measuring tape. Just scrap metal and making a back pressure exhaust manifold for this 2-stroke 123cc engine. So let me show you what we got. Alright, so exhaust pipe. This is my rounded cap. There's a cap over on that. I had to make these to cover the gap because I was trying to make it all circular by beating it, and that was just taking too long. And I already showed over here a flange. I'll end up welding these two pieces here together on that, and this will get welded there. And then after this is capped off here, oh, vice versa. This goes here. This goes down here. This is actually going to work out really well, I think, for me. Just exactly what I need. And then that down here. But at the right angle. So there we have it. That's the exhaust part so far, and guess it's time to do a little tacking. Alright, so now I'm back home. I got my welder out. This is going to be kind of a fun situation here. I'm going to just put some tacks on these and try to get it going. Alright, so the bad part is it's currently raining right now. So, you know, it gets pretty irritating. So let's do the welding. The tall one goes first. New plan. I'm actually going to put that to the side. And I'm going to try to tack weld these together. That's what I got this for. Always got to have a clamp. So I got to tack weld these together first. I think it'd be easier to put it on the brace. La-di-da-di. Alright, don't move. You gotta tell it not to move. If not, it might move. Alright. Well, that wasn't too bad. Alright, I had to fill a hole there. So that happened. It's a little chicken shitty. Real clamps would be really nice right about now. Ha! Alright. Now I can kind of go to town. Alright, so the sun's coming out and it's getting quite hot. I got that welded up. It looks like pigeon shit, but I'll clean that up. It'll be fine. No big deal. So what? Yeah. Quite the obstacle I got here. Now I gotta attach this to this. Oh, look at that. It's sitting quite perfect right now. Alright, so tacked up, I think. Yeah, kind of. She's not good at all. I'm gonna have to pull that right now. Okay, maybe I can. Oh, let's see how it looks on there, like this. And then we'll come to a conclusion. She's hot. I need to find something to dip this in. Come with me. I don't really think I have anything. Hey! I said come with me, not run away. I guess I got a sink down in my basement. Alright, so I got this bell here. You guys didn't get to see that in the last episode. So I'll just give you a quick look at it real quick before we try on that muffler. Yeah, there we go. So now I have full tension on my belt. This just needs bent around a little bit more. Boom, boom. No clutch, clutch out. Boom, boom. Engage, disengage, engage, disengage, engage, disengage. How about that? How's that look? Does that look spiffy? Does that look like an exhaust? I don't know if you noticed, but when I was welding this is a little thinner metal here. I'd be a little slower, but I'm really liking this exhaust pipe. My mind just tells me this is gonna work perfect. So let's visit Rob over here. Oh, let's visit. Can we see? No. How about now? Can we see? All right. All right, let's do this. So what I'm doing is I'm stitching upwards because this metal is a lot lighter than this metal. So I'm heating this metal up first and then pulling it up, and then the rest is going to flow by weight together. It's looking pretty good so far. All right, that's that part. That thing is on. All right, so what we got here is my back. This is the backing, obviously. It's the back. Oh no, it's going to fall over. So I gotta tack this, and I'm gonna weld all the way around that, make it sealed. So, you guys think that looks good? I think it looks good. Glove on. I don't know why I stick it on my tongue. I make funny faces when I try to do stuff. So yeah, let's get to work. All right, so as you see, my back cap. You guys heard in the last video it's loud. What do you think it's gonna be louder with this thing? Oh, it can't be louder because it's muffling some kind of air. How do you think it's gonna sound? Yes, that works. So I got a stem on there, no big deal. All right, now the other side. I would have to say that's not a bad weld myself. Yeah, where are we at? Over here. Wait, what are we looking at? Oh, this one. It's maybe in the camera it looks spotty, but it's a good weld. That thing is not going anywhere. So, currently right now, don't you love my hot headwear? Hair's a mess, face is a mess, but it doesn't matter. So far, I mean, it held water, that's good. I didn't see no leaks holding water. Everything was hot too. So what are you thinking so far? Cool, comment below. What are you thinking of my chicken poo welding job on this, right? It'll work. Sounds cool. Now the fun part. Now let's finish this. Watch me fill a hole. All right, before I fall over, how do you think I did filling that big old hole I had? That thing was huge. All right, so now I can go get this thing cooled off. You hear how hot that is? Find out exactly how this is going to be installed. Woo! Ha ha! Which I'm thinking that is it right back in my basement. With my muffler. Yep, with my muffler. You know, now it's all together. It looks like a freaking muffler. It looks like it's supposed to do its job. What do you think of my crazy fab muffler? This is it. Blah, 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 blah. I think it'll work. Let's put it on. So, here we have, make sure it's on all of it. So once it's laid flat, it stays off of the motor. Yeah. It streamlines down by the frame and down. So when you look at it forward, it's almost not there. It's a welded mess, but the thing is that part's accomplished. All right, so we're gonna be all done for today. I got my muffler done. I don't know. It looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. Hides the frame. Try to put it easy. Oh, that's the easy way to put it. I didn't do that before. So, yeah. Can't even tell it's there. But like I said, it's going to finish it up for this video. We got the exhaust done today. The exhaust is what we did. So, like, share, comment below. Tell me your thoughts, your opinions on what I did here. Give me tips on better ways of having big gaps when you don't got no metal. I think that's the only way. How you like my clutch setup? Just, you know, like, comment, share, follow. Lockston out. Mufflers rule.